Alright, hey guys, welcome to the second video. I'm just going to tour you through assignments in this video. So we'll tap that. So when you first open it, you're going to get tap the plus button to add an assignment. So I'll do that right now. So when you first, when you add an assignment, what it's going to do is going to take the class that you're currently in and automatically select that class, so you don't have to scroll through to get it. Just one less thing to do. Obviously it's not doing that right now, 1 because it's summer, 2 because it's 7 o'clock at night, and 3 because I don't have the schedule up and running. But that's what it's going to do. So press next to get the next step. Nice and simple. The title. By the way, you don't interact with this table view. It's all just navigating through the buttons. There's no need to tap to interact with the table view. So you have two main text entries, the title and the details. The title is required, that's why you can't press next until you put anything in it. The details are not required. So the title is where you'd put something that's one line, doesn't take a ton of text to say it's what the cell is going to display, and then the details will be anything else you need to know about the assignment, like page numbers, problem numbers. If it's a project and there's multiple parts or work site or whatever, there'll be more room. So this is an English assignment, as I selected the class, as you saw. So we'll enter a title. We're going to do read 1984. My texting or typing might be a little bit slow because I'm in a bit of an awkward position recording this on the iPad. So we'll go next. Details. So this is where you put in page numbers. So we'll say put in page numbers 1 through 44. So that's where you have details, and obviously you can fit a lot more text in there, and the cell will expand as you type, but not necessary for this assignment. So due date, it's automatically going to pick the next class again for the same reason that's not actually up and running, for the same reason as picking the class before. So phone's ringing. Let's see, where was I? Alright, so automatically pick the next class. So say if you drop a class so today's Wednesday, it would go to Friday if you drop it tomorrow. So it's just one less thing you have to do again. If it knows your schedule, why shouldn't it do that, right? So next, you can set a reminder for an assignment. This isn't too necessary for this unless you're very forgetful, but if it's something like turn it in, that everyone like keeps it the morning before or the morning of or whatever, or say it's like gym clothes, things that you tend to forget because you don't do them too often, aren't used to doing them for everything. Reminders will be helpful, but we're going to click no for this one. So this is what assignment looks like when you added it. You can check it off for completion. I'll say due tomorrow because we're in the by due date filter right now. So we'll tap on it. So you have the name and the details. The name might seem a little bit redundant, but if the title is too long to fit in between the edit and the assignments, it gives you an ellipsis. So having that full cell dedicated to it is nice. Also, it's how you're going to be able to edit it. Second, you have the details that I typed in. Then you have the class, the due date, and the reminder, which you can turn on and off very easily. It's automatically going to pick the due date for the reminder if you didn't set one, and you can check off complete and incomplete from here as well. You can edit all of this information, so I can tap on any of these. The one I really want to show you though is details. So you can type as much. This is obviously random text, so I hit to enter as much text in here as you want. You got auto correction, everything in there too, and it'll expand the cell like that. And you can also delete it from here, change the class, and it'll actually change the navigation bar color. And we're done with that. Go back. So now you see that edited. Obviously that's not going to fit in the cell, so I'll just put in as much as it can fit. So, and if you can arrange it by class. I'm going to turn this off for a minute so I can put in a bunch of assignments and show you how that looks. Alright, I'm back. So I've added some assignments. This is sort of what a real situation might look like. So by due date, you'll notice for today, tomorrow, and if I had one say way in the future, not within a week, it would specify the date by the number, like July 20th or whatever. But otherwise they'll do today, tomorrow, yesterday, Friday. So I have 2 assignments checked off that are due today. The way assignments are deleted, you don't have to manually delete them. That's only if it was canceled or something. But they'll automatically delete if it's completed and the due date has passed. That way, you can have an incomplete assignment or overdue. The due date has passed, it won't delete it until you've completed it. Also, you can complete them early, and they'll still appear because it's nice to view it that way. You feel like you've accomplished a percent or amount of your assignments in total, so they're not all incomplete. It's just less stressful, I guess. Feel more productive. If you have a reminder for something, like I have this gym assignment to bring clothes in, you get a little reminder icon with the clock, and it'll center the title in the cell if there's no details. I guess that's it for assignments. Oh wait, one more thing. When you click by class, it'll arrange by class so you can see it that better. So for Spanish, we have 2 Spanish assignments. One's a quiz, one's a worksheet. They're grouped together. And then we have all of the other classes like that. That's nice. So that's it for assignments. So next was courses. I'll see you in the next video.